What's the best way to start a new year on YouTube if not a huge unboxing? Let's go! What's up guys, I'm Flash, welcome in the studio, and as you can see my desk is full, and it is full with stuff not only for the studio but for me, stuff for me. This is all the stuff that I have received after the holidays, and also I went shopping with my girlfriend and got some stuff for personal care, let's say, and I wanted to do this unboxing and I wanted to do this video to be more natural and talk with you about all the stuff that I've got, because everything has its own purpose. Of course, enjoy your coffee or your drink, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more content around this studio. First things first, I want to get rid of this huge box. So this is my new boom mic arm from Elgato. It is the same as this one right here, which I have changed a week ago or something like this. It is a really great arm and it will hold my SM7B or the RE20 in the productivity corner right there. And I will let me show you first. This is it, and I will replace my low profile mic arm because it is kinda in the way of my hands when I want to use the microphone, and it doesn't have the reach that I need. This will solve the problem and also will allow me to boom the mic from the wall side of the desk, and we will have more space in the studio on the desk, and also it will display very nicely the microphone over the PCs, and it will be in my main, how do you call it, in the background. The next thing here is a new battery for my Sony cameras, and the saddest part is that my tri-charge charger, which Peter Lindgren designed, hasn't arrived yet. There's some trouble with the delivery, but we will sort it out tomorrow. This is my third spare battery. I want to have a battery in every camera and another battery for every camera to have as a spare and fully charged to be ready to roll in every moment. And yeah, this is it, fully charged, waiting for the charger, power bank, SD card holder, micro SD card holder. We will unbox it in the next episode. Got some chopstick to use on the lips, a new nail clipper, because in the studio it is very important to have as nice hands as you can when you are doing unboxings. So yeah, I needed a new nail clipper, and this here is shaving soap, which I've got because we will get to it in a moment. I've got this new one blade set, but the soap is not for it. It is for another thing, but this will replace my old and first one blade that I've got as a present from my uncle, and I've used a lot. But I am switching, hopefully I will manage to do it. I'm switching to classic shaving, let's say, and this here is a safety razor, which is pretty nice, should be okay-ish for beginners. I've never used something like this. If you see me with a lot of marks on my face in the next episodes, you will know why I look like this. But I hope it will not be that hard. Let me show you what I've got here. So this should be a pretty nice safety razor, and it is made in Germany, stainless steel, heavy, solid, very well finished, and I hope I will not cut myself with it, but I don't think it will be that hard. It is scary when you think about it, but I think it is only in my mind. By the way, tell me in the comments, do you use safety razors or do you use disposable or electric devices? And yeah, talking about shaving, this is the safety razor. I've got a cover for it to protect the blade, some spare blades, one blade accessories right here in the pouch, and what I've got here should be a leather holder for the safety razor to store it, and I don't know, not damage it. It was pretty nice, and I've got it because it was on an offer. And this is the one blade, and I wanted it because it comes with 2 blades included, and it shows on the screen how much battery you have left, and also it comes with a stand which is also a charger for it, and it is more convenient to charge it. I am pretty happy with the one blade because it is really easy to make the contour on your face, on your mustache. It is pretty nice. Maybe I will keep you posted on Instagram about my shaving journey. What is next? The big box. Okay, here is a monitor arm which will solve 2 problems. The first one, let me show you. Here is my laptop, and here I stay a lot of hours every day to edit videos, to work for the clients and so on. And the problem with mounting the laptop this way is that the arm has a lot of play, and this play comes from this. This is the problem. Let me show you. This is the mount for the VESA monitor mount, which also holds the laptop, the notebook plate. And this one here is one piece, no quick release, no nothing. And hopefully it will fit in the same arm, and I will use this to hold the laptop, and I will take that part from the gray arm which holds my laptop and use it with this arm, because this arm should be used with the Rodecaster that is missing back there, because the Rodecaster Pro 2 is in service right now. Channel number 3, microphone channel, is defective. It has noise. It had noise when I bought it, but never had time to go back to the store and ask for servicing. It was the moment now with the holidays, and since I have all the clips, or I had all the clips recorded and all the work done with the YouTube channel, so yeah, it went to the service. The problem, coming back to the subject, is that the plate from the gray arm right there is a quick release plate, and because it is a quick release plate, it has that play. This one doesn't have, but I don't know, and I'm not sure if it will fit right there. We will see. Another thing that I found in store when I went to get some audio stuff, this will help me make the wire management of this desk in an easier way without cutting zip ties and putting on new zip ties. This is reusable, relatively cheap, let's say $1 a piece. I've got 16 of them. I am not sure if they are enough, but I will get more in the future, and this is how they work. Simply with the Velcro, install a new cable, or you remove a cable and then tie it up again. This is a Peak Design wash pouch, shower pouch. I don't remember how it is called, but it was on a really great offer, and I've got it to be a little bit more organized with my shower routine. And I will have here some cream, some shaving stuff, the shaving safety razor, the one blade, and so on. So let's open it. It is kinda big, but the small one was more expensive than this one, so I've got this bigger one. This will be very nice when going in vacation, or simply for organizing the stuff that you always want to find in here. And it opens up just like this. Plenty of space for everything and nice organization. And it is waterproof. It looks almost identical with the EDC tech pouch that I have, almost the same. Nice. The last thing, so this is a proprietary windscreen for the Shure SM57 microphone, and if you don't know, the Shure SM57 microphone is the one that is used by the US president, and it is a really nice microphone. Very similar with the SM7B because it uses the same capsule as the SM7B. I wouldn't try to EQ it to make it sound like the SM7B because it is not. and it also sounds really great in its own way. So, since I have it in my collection as a Christmas gift from my girlfriend, I've got this windscreen to use it together with the microphone and get rid of the plosives, because without the windscreen there's a lot of plosives, and also my DIY windscreen didn't fit the microphone the best. It was just staying on the microphone capsule and playing around, because yeah, it is a DIY thing made from 2 windscreens. You will see it in the future videos on the channel, but first I need to screen this windscreen. And this is how the microphone looks right now, and let me show you how it looks compared to the SM7B. They've used kinda the same design language right here, and this, if it had a bigger case instead of this handle, let's say, this handle shape, it would look like a mini SM7B. If you exclude this back part here, it is really a mini SM7B. So yeah, it looks nice on the camera also. If you boom it somewhere, yeah, really nice. And we've come to an end with all the boxes and all the products, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit the like button. I am Flash, and I wish you all a happy new year and have fun in your studio. I'm out.
They call me a